Of the Constitution of Kenya 2010, this House approves the Building Bridges Initiative Constitutional Amendment Bill of 2020. Will as many as of that opinion say aye? Aye. And will as many as of a contrary opinion say nay? The ayes have it. Honourable members, I then give direction as follows. Funds, upon approval by a county assembly, a draft bill to amend the constitution by popular initiative, the Speaker of the County Assembly shall notify the Speakers of the two Houses of Parliament of the approval of the draft bill by the County Assembly by delivering to each Speaker during official working hours the following: 1. A copy of the draft bill. 2. A certificate on the approval, and by extension, the reports. So remember, when we are done with here, we will go out there and have a press conference, so we'll be joined by the governor and his team, so that we talk.
Now, it is a new thing being created by the same people who made that statement during that time. And we must be aware, Mr. Speaker, even the efforts now being made to blackmail MCAs over the 2 million. When did CAF start discussing the issue of 2 million with the government? It is not yesterday. It is an issue that has existed. So that the blackmails that are coming from the perennial opposers of the Constitution to make the assemblies feel as if they are passing this because of 2 million, nonsense. That particular MP is having an allowance of 7 million. What about 2 million to the MCA? This thing is living here to the Assembly, National Assembly, plus the Senate. Are they going to pass it because they have the 7 million? Mr. Speaker, I conclude by saying, yesterday, I had a statement being made by one of the supporters, very strong supporter of the Tangatanga movement, on a question of when he looked at the BBI, he never saw anything written boda boda or mama mboga or anything. I want to say it clear that there was an opportunity for you to make a referendum, to make a memorandum.